Guys, so it's Talha here again, and today we are going to discuss what is pointer to pointers. So I'm going to make the program and on the way. So while I'm making the program, I'm going to elaborate what I'm doing and how this pointer to pointer program works. So it's the same as pointers, but pointer to pointer means that you'll declare another pointer variable, which is going to show you the address of the pointer variable you created in the first place for your first variable. So let's first make the variable int a, and I'm going to assign the value 25. And now what I want to do is I want to make a variable which can store the address of this variable. So that variable, the syntax of that is going to be int star, for example pa. So so the variable name can be any name, but I'm suggesting pa, so that can be, so this can be pronounced as pointer to int, and that int variable is a. So that's why I'm going to remember what variable I'm pointing what variable address I'm pointing towards. So int pa equals and a, so this is going to store the address. And now if I see out say a is a is a is a and l, and I see out that the address of a is, I'll say pa, because that was the address of pa. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to alright, so the address of and for this to prove that this variable is working, so to prove that the address of a is being was stored in this variable, so what I'm going to do is first I'm going to declare pa, and first I'm going to do and a, and then a space, and then pa. And same here to show that when I use an asterisk before a pointer variable, is going to access the value of the variable instead. So what I'm going to do is a, and the same I'm going to insert the brackets, and then I'm going to write star asterisk pa. So this way, so now when I run the program, what I'm going to get is so yes, so a is 25, so this a was 25, and this asterisk pa now acts now is acting as the variable. So now this asterisk pa, this expression right here is now acting as a, means the variable. So 25 both are 25. Now the address of a is and a, which is the normal address which I have displayed here, and after that I've given a space, and then pa, which pa is the variable, is the pa is the pointer which has the address of a is stored in this pointer, and it's showing here. So these two should be the same, and they are the same, because this pointer is just showing the address, and this and a is also showing the address. Pointer just stored the address of a into itself, so it means pointer is a variable that stores the address. Now what we want to do is we want to know the address of this pointer, so we want a pointer to pointer. So what I'm going to do is, so you know the syntax to store the address of a pointer in a pointer. So you're pointing towards the address of a pointer. So the syntax for that is you're going to have to declare the double asterisk. So so that means that first for the first variable you declared the single asterisk and then you declare the pointer variable, but now you're going to have to declare two asterisks, and the series goes on. So you know now we're doing it the second time, and when we're going to do it for the third time we will have to declare three asterisks. So for this PPA, so this is just so I will be differentiating between the names of the pointers so I don't get confused. So if I write here PA, I'll be confused you know later on that which one do I want. So double asterisk PPA equals and PA and PA. So this variable right here, this pointer right here is going to store the address of the previous pointer we declared, and that pointer was storing the address of the variable A. So let's alright, so let's copy and paste, and now I'm going to edit. So A is A, and so first star PA was acting as A, but now we want this pointer, which is this pointer variable, which is star PPA to act as the variable itself. So what it's going to do first, it's going to access the pointer itself, which was star PA, and then after that it's going to access the value of the variable A which we declared in the first place. And then the address of A is the address of PA is and PA, and to prove it that this works, so I'm going to write the address of and PA is so the address of PA, which is the pointer variable of type int and of the variable A, is and PA, and I'm just going to write PPA, which is storing the address of PA. So let's see if it works, and let me just give another you know, so the cursor moves to the not the next line but the line after the next line, so that the code will be more neat. So let's see if it works, and as you can see that the second part of the display is, so this right here is the first part which we discussed earlier. The second part of this the display is showing that A is 25, which is A, and now this double asterisk PPA is acting as the variable itself, that is A. So what it's going to do, it's going to first access this pointer, and then it's going to access the value of the first variable A in the first place, which we declared in the first place. So that is 25, and star PPA is also 25. The address of PA, so not the address of A, the address of PA, which is the pointer variable to A, to int A, is this 0x7FFEEE FB6EO, and the the pointer variable which is storing the address of the first pointer is PPA, and we just declared that. So and PA and PPA are the same, which means that this pointer just did nothing but store the address of this pointer, and this right here, the first pointer, did nothing but store the address of A itself. So this was a program which showed how you can use pointer to pointer variable, and how you can also store the address of of your first or second pointer into a third or fourth pointer, and the series goes on. You just have to make a little difference in the syntax. You just have to add another asterisk, and then declare another variable name for your next pointer. Alright guys, so this was it for today's video. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Till then, goodbye.